Hello, guys. My name is Christian Webeze, and this is officially my first YouTube video. My first YouTube video. Yeah, I can't believe I'm doing this, but here we are. So, my name is Chris once again, and I'm a UIUX designer. So, in this video, I'm here to tell you guys what UIUX means. Like a lot of people have been asking, what is UI and what is UX? What is all these buzzwords we've been hearing? UI, UX, UI, UX. So I'm here to explain to you guys who don't know. I mean, that's what I'm here for. So I'm here to break it down to you guys like I'm teaching a 5-year-old what UI, UX means. So let's get into it. Right. UI, UX, UI, UX, UI, UX. Everybody be wondering, what is UI, UX? UI UX is a combination of two acronyms, UI and UX. Two of them coming together to mean UI UX. So let's start with the first one, UI. UI means user interface. And what is user interface? User interface is the interface that every user interacts with. Simple as that. For example, once you raise your phone and put it on, every display you see in front of your phone is called the user interface, because that's the interface you can interact with as a user. As simple as that. Once you open up your mobile app, for instance, or your social media app, for instance, whatever thing you see on those social media app or your banking app, for instance, those are called the UI. Simple as that. It's not hard. Don't overthink it. All right. So that's it. That's what UI is. And what does a UI designer do? A UI designer designs those interface, make it look colorful and attractive to the user so that they can be able to always visit the app or the mobile app every time. Easy peasy, nothing too hard. So that is for UI. Then UX. UX simply means user experience. And what is user experience? All right now. Unlike UI, user experience means the experience you give every user for using that UI, for interacting with the UI. So one thing is to have a user interface. Another thing is to have a good experience with that interface. It's as simple as that. For example, if you go over to your mobile app and you want to make a transfer, for instance, and it takes too long to make a transfer from point A to point B, that in turn is a bad user experience. But on the other hand, if you can make a transfer, for instance, from point A to finish with short, simple steps, that is good UI or UX. UX simply means user experience, like I said earlier. Now, what it means is how a user interacts and experiences a particular product or service. For example, when you open your mobile app to make a transfer, how you make those transfer easy and fast without having any disruption is called the user experience. It will make you come back to use that particular product over and over again, right? Or that particular social media app that you enjoy using the most. There is a particular experience that makes you always want to load those mobile social media apps and interact with them. That's exactly what user experience is. And a UX designer is the one who designs those experiences. Is the one who designs, those experiences that will keep you coming back for more. That's exactly what a UX designer is. So two of them combined, UI UX design is a skill of designing products and services that users can always interact with all the time, guys. It's as simple as that. That's it for now. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please and please, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please use the comment section and ask me anything, whatever you think of. Ask me any question. I'll be happy to respond. And also click on that bell to get more updates from me. That's it, guys. Cheers.